Hi there, it's Dr. Judith Briles, the Book Shepherd, and in my 3-minute or less video, I have a question for you. Are you branding yourself? I mean, really branding across everything, from your business card, from your bookmarks, from your profiles on your social media, from your taglines and slogans, the banner that's on your website. Are you branding yourself when literally you introduce who you are and what you're about? Are you branding yourself? Branding is the peanut butter and jelly of book marketing. The peanut butter and jelly. You want to start it as early as possible and start weaving it. Now, it would be keywords, it could be a key phrase, it could be colors that you use, it could be graphics that you bring in play, but it's consistent. It's identifiable with you, and it feels good. It feels good. So you want to include it in your signature lines and any articles, any blogs that you put out. If you don't, it's a giant blunder. Now you want to really practice. For example, on your profiles on social media, all of them have different elements that have limitations of how many character count you can use. And remember, characters include any space or punctuation. Practice it as you work your keywords in and bring them into play, that you can say your name and what you are and what you resolve, what you solve, what's the pain that you're dealing with your readers. If you do from the get-go, anything you do, whether it's a flyer, or a poster or an invitation, takes on a whole new element, and it's consistent and it's easier. I'm Judith Briles. Please share our tips with others and follow me on Twitter at @MyBookShepherd. And how about joining my Facebook group, Judith Briles Book Publishing?